In this video, I'm going to share with you how posting short videos hurts your channel. And this is based on my own experience and some other factors that I have actually researched and discovered over time. Don't get me wrong, I don't mean that posting shorts are bad, but there are so many things that are involved with posting shorts. There are so many channels who have been posting shorts, and short videos have been a blessing to their channel, including on the way they earn. And this might be because of so many factors. However, you need to understand that if your channel is not based on shorts and you're not going to earn through shorts in the long run, or your content are mainly long form videos, then you need to stop posting shorts at this moment. The only advantage I know that short videos gives is that it gives you instant subscribers. But the problem here is that the subscribers are not convertible. They are not going to watch your long form video, and this is where the problem lies. If your content are going to be long form video in the long run and you want to earn through it, then there is no need for you to post shorts or to gain subscribers that are not convertible, that are not going to watch your long form videos. What is the essence of getting subscribers when they don't watch your videos? It doesn't make sense. So short videos hurt your channel, but you don't know this. Imagine having thousands of subscribers but only 10 people watches your long form content. It is not advisable for you to post shorts or to gain subscribers through shorts if you're a long form channel. I know that sometimes we smaller channels are more focused to get subscribers so fast, but it doesn't end here. It is even more depressing when you get the subscribers and they don't even watch your content. Okay, so getting the subscribers might be the ultimate for you as a small channel, but the ultimate is getting people who is going to watch your content. Okay, so getting subscribers, that particular advantage that short videos offers you, it is just for the temporal moments, but for the permanent ones, you actually need more convertible subscribers, more convertible audience, and audience that are going to give you the retention that you need for your channel to blow up. I made this particular mistake when I was starting this channel newly. Okay, I followed some tips that said you should post at least 2 short form contents every day, even as a long form channel, and it was actually looking good at the start because I was getting subscribers daily. I was getting it, and it was as if it was easy. I was enjoying the moment because I was seeing the subscribers, but at the long run, these people were not watching my content because each time I post, it's just as if they skip my content totally. But when I post my short form videos, which is my short videos, they end up watching it. But I wasn't getting the needed push for my content to grow or for my channel to grow. I was only getting the subscribers and they were not watching my content. So it got me depressed for a moment. After a while, I went back to my analytics, my YouTube studio, and I checked to see if there was something I was getting wrong. And I found out that the subscribers that were coming through my short videos. And the problem is that they are not interested in my long form videos. So at that moment, I said I'm going to change this particular thing. I stopped posting short content, and I actually made private some of my short videos and deleted some of them so as to start a fresh type of content. Another way that short form videos hurt your channel is that it makes it littered, especially when the short form videos that you're posting are not related to your long form content. Sometimes when I go to a channel, I mostly discover that most of the short form videos that they do post is not in a way related to the long form videos that they are posting. So this might actually be the reason why when the audience come and they see that this thing is not related to the reason why I'm here, they end up just sticking to watch the short form videos. Okay, and it makes your channel littered because you are not posting what is in your short videos or the reason why this subscribers came. And again, how can you be a tutorial content creator but in your short videos you're posting videos where you are sampling a cloth or cooking? It doesn't make sense. This is going to make a potential subscriber click out if they eventually come to your channel to see what you have in stock. And it is going to make them lose interest. And if they end up watching one of your long form videos, they are going to click out and they're not going to subscribe because they don't understand the form of content you're clicking. So they actually came for the value, that particular one video that brought them to your channel, and they're going to click out immediately. Okay, this is another thing that hurts your channel as a small content creator, having littered shots in your channel that are not related to the main long form video you're posting. They end up not watching your long form videos because the reason why they are there is because you post short videos and they are not interested in watching a video that is past 2 minutes or 3 minutes. But once you post your short form videos, they always scroll out to watch. I actually don't know how they do this thing. I think it actually works like magic because once you post your long form videos, they ignore, but immediately you post short form videos, you see them crawl out to watch. This is to tell you that they are not interested in your long form video, and this will keep on hurting your channel the more and more because you don't have people watching your long form video, which is the main reason why you created your channel. Now, let me tell you this, on my own channel, immediately I stopped posting short form videos, I discovered that it gave my channel this particular push that I never knew existed before, and it actually increased my audience retention because more people were coming to watch my tutorial based content and some of the things that I have to share on this channel. And it actually made my channel look more neater because I don't have short videos clustered everywhere or unrelated short videos clustered. This is not my Instagram page, so it's only on my Instagram page that I have to post whatever I want to post. But here in this channel, I am more focused on posting what I have on my bio and the reason why people are subscribing to me. So it's actually gave my channel that particular push and more audience retention that I needed in my analytics. So I think short videos are not okay if your channel is more focused on doing another thing, which is not posting shorts every day. Here is another thing that you need to know when it comes to your watch hour. The watch hour that comes from your long form videos and the ones that come from your short form videos don't even work together, because YouTube made it known that it's either you get 4,000 public watch hours from your long form video or you get 10 million views from your short videos in 3 months, which is 90 days. Okay, so it doesn't count together. It's either you get 4,000 watch hours from your public long form videos or you have 10 million views from your short videos in just 3 months. So if you think that when you get your long form public watch hour and you get your short form watch hour that you're going to merge it together, it doesn't work that way. You're just wasting your time and you're going to make things more harder for your channel to grow. Okay, so it's either you focus on getting the other one or you focus on getting the watch hour from the other side. So now tell me, which one is more harder to get? Definitely the short video watch hour, because for your short videos to go viral, it has to be in millions, and for you to get 10 million views in just 3 months, you have to do a lot of things. Okay, and when it passes that 3 months that I gave you, even if you're close to 10 million and passes it before you get to that 3 months, you're going to lose some of those watch hours and you're going to start afresh to accumulate watch hour again. That is the reason why I focused on posting only long form videos and ditched short contents, because I actually don't need anything that will confuse my brain and make my channel look clustered, and at the long run it will hurt my content or my long form content. I know you might want to say that, okay, let me get the watch hour from my short videos, after that I can focus on my long form content. But there is another thing I need to tell you. What if after getting the watch hours and you're close to monetization and finally you monetize your channel and then you're not getting views from people who need to watch your long form video? This is where the real depression comes in and you end up getting frustrated. Okay, so why not grow at that pace? And you get real people who are interested in your content because they love what you give and they are interested in getting value from your channel. So it is better to grow at a slow pace than rushing to get those subscribers and watch hours from short videos when your channel is focused on posting long form and they end up not watching your long form videos. It is depressing. Just go and ask people who were monetized for a long time without getting paid for 5 months on YouTube how depressing it was for them. It is very depressing and frustrating. So it's better to grow your channel using your long form videos, okay, than getting it with short form videos and at the end of the day they don't watch your long form content. Some people might still post shorts on their channel and get successful at it, okay, but my own experience and from stories from other creators who have similar experience with me, I think that there is no reason posting short form videos when you're still growing your channel. Okay, so maybe after you must have grown your channel and getting people who are interested in watching your content, are interested in your content, then you can start posting short videos that are related to your long form content. But for as a beginner, I really discourage people posting short because I actually know how it affected my channel and how I was able to rectify that. But if your channel is focused on shorts only, that you just want to be doing short videos every time and you want to get monetized using short videos, then you can go ahead and post your short videos because you have your audience already, okay? You're just going to be earning through shorts and that is fine. But just know that if you're going to shift from short to long form video in the long run, it is going to hurt your channel and it might take you years, and sometimes you might even get frustrated and just close up that channel and start up another one because they are not going to convert to long form content watchers. So let me know what you think about posting short form videos in your channel as a long form creator. Okay, and if you think that posting short videos don't hurt your channel, please also let me know what you think about it. And if you notice an overall growth in your channel and a spike, immediately you stop doing short form videos, also share with us in the comment section. And if you have any questions regarding this video that you need to get more clarity on, please don't hesitate to ask your questions in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer that. Thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.